From the golden forest lands to modern day, the Asante rose with pride in a powerful way. Let the talking drums sound, let history be told. From Osei Tutu's dream to the stories of gold.
In the heart of Akan lands, warriors stood proud, scattered clans in the forest, voices loud. Then came a vision, bold and true. Osei Tutu rose with Komfo Anokye too. They forged a union, fierce and tight. Asante, Dwa Kofi took flight. The golden stool from the skies came down, a sacred soul of the Asante crown.
Our golden stool never falls, through the rise and through the brawls. From the forest deep and wide, Asante stands with royal pride. A nation built with strength and flame, forever shall they keep the name.
Battle of Fayesa, Deng Shira fell. The Asante Empire rang the victory bell. Trade flowed in, Kola gold and might. Kumasi grew, a city burning bright. Kings of war and wisdom ruled. Apuku our eye, the empire schooled. Armies marched, drums of power rolled. Asante was feared, bold and bold.
More golden stool never falls, through the rise and through the brawls. Through the forest deep and wide, Asante stands with royal pride. A nation built with strength and flame, forever shall they keep the name.
Then the red coats came with guns and flags, seeking golden trade with royal tags. But Asante stood unbowed, unbent. Through many wars their message sent. Sir Garnet came, but they held the fort until 1874. When Kumasi was caught, they burned the palace, looted the soul. But the stool was hidden, guarded whole. In 1900, Asante rose. With fire and courage she opposed the foes. A queen with power, fierce and brave, though exiled her name engraved.
Colonial chains came to bind, but not the spirit nor the mind. Through struggle, through storm and strain, the Asante soul would rise again.
Independence rang in 57 sun. Ghana was born, the past not undone. Asante still holds the key to culture, pride and history. Otumfu rules with modern grace, guardian of the people of time and place. Education, health, a noble role, still guided by the golden soul. Our golden stool never falls, through the rise and through the brawls. Echoes from the ancient drums tell the tale of what's to come. Akan pride, the eagle's flame, forever shall they keep the name.